Legislative Assembly elections will be held in Uttar Pradesh in month of February to March 2022 to elect 403 members of the Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly. The term of current assembly elected in 2017 will expire on 14 May 2022. The tenure of Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly is scheduled to end on 14 May 2022. The previous assembly elections were held in February, March 2017. After the election, Bharatiya Janata Party formed the state government, with Yogi Adityanath becoming chief minister. The schedule will be announced by the Election Commission before December 2021. Samajwadi Party Supremo Akhilesh Yadav, who was also the former CM of UP till 2017, made a statement that UP is in need of a Yogya Sarkar and not Yogi Sarkar. He also took a jibe at present CM of UP and said that the chief minister of the state does not even know how to operate a laptop. He also mentioned how inflation and unemployment has become a huge issue. Salman Khurshid made a statement drawing a comparison between ISIS and Hindutva in his new book on Ayodhya verdict. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.